guys, it's Eddie on Eddie's Little Bites, and today I finally knew how to tie my shoe.
So you gonna show everybody?
Yeah. So first you have to put them straight up, go boop a dip a doop, then go like this, and then you always want to put this through here. If you don't, then it won't work. Boom.
So through the tunnel.
Then you make a bunny ear as close as you can to the knot. Wrap this around and then make your do like that. Do this one. Go like then. Oh, it made one, but it didn't make the other.
That's pretty darn close.
Yeah.
Awesome job, dude. We are so proud of you.
But you can just fit.
Yeah, you'd probably want to retie it. Oh, there you go. Yeah. And then pull it tight.
See? Yay.
Great job, dude.
And that's an easy way to fix your problem.
Happy Father's Day, everyone.
Subscribe and ring that bell ding. And make sure you comment below. Like and subscribe. And remember to enjoy every little bite. Bye.
Bam.
The show.